In the realm of kitchen wonders, the Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro with Auto-Ake stands tall as a true powerhouse. With its robust 1100 peak watt motor, it's more than just a blender. It's a culinary magician that transforms tough ingredients into velvety concoctions. Designed to simplify your blending endeavors, the Auto-Ake programs take the guesswork out of blending, while the Pro Extractor Blades assembly extracts hidden nutrition from every ingredient. From creamy frozen drinks to nutrient-rich smoothies, this blender is your gateway to culinary excellence. Here are the key features of Ninja Bn401 Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender. Unleash ultimate power, the 1100 peak watt motor. Prepare to be amazed by the Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro's raw power. The 1100 peak watt motor defies the ordinary, pulverizing tough ingredients with ease. It shatters ice into snow within seconds, creating the perfect base for your frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. With each blend, you're embracing a new realm of culinary possibilities. Auto-Ake programs, the art of precision blending, bid farewell to the days of trial and error in blending. The two preset Auto-Ake programs redefine convenience. These programs combine strategic pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns, all perfectly timed to create impeccable results. Whether you're whipping up a refreshing smoothie or crushing ice for a frozen treat, Auto-Ake does the thinking for you, ensuring that each blend is a masterpiece. Unlock nutrient extraction. Pro Extractor Blades Assembly. The Pro Extractor Blades Assembly is your key to unlocking hidden nutrition. It effortlessly breaks down fruits, vegetables, and ice, extracting every ounce of vitamins and nutrients. Say goodbye to waste as you blend whole fruits and vegetables, utilizing portions that are typically discarded. With each blend, you're tapping into the pure essence of every ingredient. Frozen blending. Transforming culinary boundaries. Take your taste buds on a journey with resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, and treats. The Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro isn't just a blender, it's a frozen blending maestro. It crushes ice and pulverizes frozen ingredients, turning them into delightful creations that transport you to a world of flavors and textures. On-the-go magic, 24 Oz. Single-serve cups. Embrace the freedom of on-the-go convenience. The 24 Oz single-serve cups are your vessels of culinary creation. Blend directly within these cups and attach a spout lid to transform your drink into a portable delight. Whether you're rushing to work or embarking on an adventure, your culinary creations are always by your side. Compact brilliance, a blend of space and simplicity. In a world where space is a precious commodity, the Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro stands as a beacon of compact brilliance. It effortlessly fits on any countertop, ensuring that culinary excellence is always within reach. Its intuitive, easy-to-use controls make blending a breeze, allowing you to focus on crafting the perfect blend. Your Culinary Muse Recipe Inspiration Guide. As you journey into the world of culinary creativity, the 20 Recipe Inspiration Guide becomes your muse. It offers a treasure trove of recipes, from invigorating smoothies to luscious frozen drinks and beyond. With each recipe, you're inviting a new burst of flavor into your life. Effortless cleanup. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. In a world where convenience reigns supreme, cleanup is a breeze. All parts of the Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, ensuring that your culinary adventure isn't marred by the hassle of cleanup. It's a blend of culinary mastery and practicality. Elevate your blending. Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro. In a world that demands convenience without compromise, the Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro emerges as the ultimate solution. With its powerful motor, Auto-Ake programs, and Pro Extractor Blades assembly, it defies norms and transcends expectations. From nutrient extraction to frozen blending, it's your accomplice in creating culinary wonders. Embrace the magic of blending with the Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro and elevate your culinary journey.